Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Fatih bin Nasabani. I as a group leader for group 9 and my group members is Ahmad Adam Muiz, Amirul Adi, Ahmad Faiz. And our project title for this project is Smart Gas Leakage Detector Board. Our table of content is introduction, requirement, methodology, IoT result and discussion and conclusion.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, me, Ahmad Faiz bin Muhammad Hafiz. So, today I will talk about my introduction. So, introduction. Many hazards cannot be detected by human sense. Toxic gases, oxygen deficiency, combustible gases, and vapors. All these hazards pose a serious threat to human life and plant safety in many branches of industry. Portable gas detectors alert a worker early and increase occupational safety. When it comes to reliable gas detection, you can trust on portable gas detectors from Braga. We have more than 70 years experience in this technology and offer a full range from reliable gas detectors, station for calibration and bump testing, as well as software solution, helpful system component and accessories. Non-dispersive infrared sensors or NDIR were introduced in the 1960s have been widely used for gas leakage detection since that time. This technology works by using infrared light to detect different wavelengths absorbed by gases. Electrochemical gas detector work by allowing gas to diffuse through a porous membrane to an electrode where it is either chemically oxidized or reduced. The amount of current produced is determined by how much of gas is oxidized at the electrode, indicating the concentration of the gas. They are commonly used to detect toxic or explosive gas and measure gas concentration. Gas sensors are employed in factories and manufacturing facilities to identify gas leaks and to detect smoke and carbon monoxide in homes. What is meant by gas sensor? Gas sensor convert the component and concentration of various gases into standard electrical signals by using specific physical and chemical effects. It has been widely used in the detection of noxious and harmful gases and natural gas leakage. Here, the sensing element is made up of tin dioxide, SnO2, which is in general has excess electron donor element. So whenever toxic gases are being detected, the resistance of the element changes and the current flown through it varies, which represent the change in concentration of the gases.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Adi and this is the requirement of our project. In this type of gas leak detection, ESP2866 node MCU is usually used as a microcontroller and a Wi-Fi module. The system records the value of the LPG leak level on an IoT platform, which could be a cloud platform or application platform, and the awareness message is sent to the smartphone through the Wi-Fi on an IoT application such as Blink IoT application. In this research, the hardware components were used along with Blink application. Table below review the components and their quantity. When a gas leak occurs, which is detected by the gas sensor MQ2, it will send data to the controller via the controller analog part. Then the controller will send a warning text message alerting the occurrence of gas leak via Wi-Fi technology in conjunction with Blink application, which works on Android and iOS operating systems. The proper system uses iOS Blink app. At the same time, the buzzer will be on for an alarming. As mentioned in previous section, this system is built based on the controller ESP8222 with the gas sensor MQ2 in the event of gas leakage. The sensor will send a signal to the controller through Wi-Fi technology. The controller will send a warning text message of the presence of gas leakage using the Blink application available on the mobile phone system. When a gas leak occurs, a message warning of the presence of leaked gas will be sent to the mobile phone interface which clarifies the Blink app. IoT ThinkSpeak platform is used to record the readings of the MQ2 gas sensor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Adam Is. I will present about the methodology. Firstly, it's flowchart. First we start, and then the sensor is ready, and then make sure the gas concentration is below 400 ppm and the voltage is below 2 volt. If the two of D is above 400 ppm or above 2 volt, it will reset to sensor ready and make sure the gas concentration and voltage is below 400 ppm and 2 volt. After that, it will send the input to Arduino Mega 2560. Then it will send input to Wi-Fi module ESP8266. And then the message will send either the gas is leaking or not. Lastly, we need to reset the system and back to the sensor ready. Next, the block diagram. The block diagram is a diagram of how we boot our circuit for the smart gas leakage detector. Next, IoT result and discussion. On my left is a picture for output display. The project explains when the smoke level is below the 140, he will display the output on the LCD, indicating the smoke level, and the LED will not light. While when the smoke level exceeds the 140, the buzzer will sound, the LED will light up on the LCD and will send a message to user mobile phone. Like when the sensor detects some smoke around them, the buzzer will alarm. This system have advantage and disadvantage. And for advantage, the wireless system can also be connected to the internet for readings available at any time. This allows all people to see gas levels at all project points. Such a system especially beneficial in work sites where accidents and leaks have occurred before. It is also a great way to closely monitor confined space where higher gas levels can turn air into poison instantly. And for disadvantage for this system, as for the disadvantage of wireless gas detection systems, there don't seem to be many. Most users are very happy with the service provided by their wireless system. Some complain that they need to be calibrated more often. This can be added if you continue to purchase gas calibration kit. Also, wireless systems are not cheap. Anyone looking for a cheap detector to do the most minimal things required under the law will not be satisfied with wireless system. Safety is one of the most important aspects of doing business, especially those facing this type of danger on a regular basis. If you care about the budget, a hardwired system will still get the job done.
So for the conclusion, this gas leakage system can be applied for household safety and many other applications in the industry. Any leakage can be recognized through the receiver module and automatically will convey the information to the firefighters. Since the system being monitored 24 hours by the fire station, therefore this system may avoid the dangers of the leakage gas. We should have the gas leakage system so that we can avoid from dangers that can occur, especially involved with gas poisonous. So that's all from us. So for the video reference, here is the link, YouTube link. So that's all. Thank you.